I just discovered something that I think I need to share with literally every single college student on this app, period. So you know when you have an essay like so and you have to create an annotated bibliography for it? Most professors are going to tell you that they want you to use a third-party website to create it, like EasyBib or something of that sort. But if you go under the Tools tab and click Citations, you can literally do it in Google Docs, straight up. I already have a couple listed, but it's honestly pretty straightforward. So you click on whichever format you want to put it in. Mine is usually APA, so I'm going to leave it there. And then right after that, you click Add Citations, and you can pick whichever source you got it from. So whether it's, a book section, so on, it's all right here. And then you can choose how you accessed it. So if it's print, a website, or online database of any kind, it's right here. So once you plug in all of your source information, you should end up with your citations lined up like this. Once you check them and they're all good, you click on Insert References, and boom, they're right on your page. I didn't know about this, and when I posted it on my Snap story first, nobody that I knew either. So if you didn't know, now you do.